Who is responsible for the safety of dietary supplements? The FDA is not authorized to review dietary supplement products for safety and effectiveness before they are marked. The manufacturers and distributors of dietary supplements are responsible for making sure their products are safe before they go to market. If the dietary supplement contains a new ingredient, manufacturers must notify the FDA about the ingredient prior to marketing. However, the notification will only be reviewed by the FDA and only for safety, not effectiveness. Manufacturers are required to produce dietary supplements in a quality manner and ensure they do not contain contaminants or impurities, and they are accurately labeled according to the current good manufacturing practice and labeling regulations. If a serious problem associated with a dietary supplement occurs, manufacturers must report it to the FDA as an adverse event. The FDA can take dietary supplements off the market if they are found to be unsafe or if the claims on the products are false and misleading. So how can you find out more about dietary supplements you're taking? Well, dietary supplement labels must include name and the location information for the manufacturer or distributor. If you want to know more about the product you are taking, please check with the manufacturer or distributor and make sure that the information to support the claims of the product is on the label, as well as information on the safety and effectiveness of the ingredients in the product. Remember to stay further informed at ionfulfillment.com.